Hi guys, Lewis here. Today we're going to discuss Draftbit. If you've ever wanted to create an app without writing a single line of code, then Draftbit is the perfect tool for you. Its easy drag and drop interface lets you visually design fully functional iOS and Android apps in minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about Draftbit. First, we'll talk about what Draftbit is and what it can do for you. Then, I'll guide you through the sign-up process and help you set up your account. We'll also explore the dashboard. Then, I'll explain how to create a project from scratch and finally, how to customize the pre-made templates so you can save a lot of time and effort. So let's get started. Firstly, if you're new, let me give you a brief overview of what Draftbit is. Draftbit is a low-code platform used to visually build native mobile apps and responsive web apps. This means that you can design, customize, and publish your own app without any coding experience. With Draftbit, you can create apps for both iOS and Android devices simultaneously. It offers various features, some of which include a visual design interface, React Native-based, custom code integration, live preview, component library, theme customization, responsive design, data integration, code export, collaboration features, and breakpoint management. It is perfect for beginners who want to get started with app development but do not have the technical skills or resources to code an app from scratch. Now, let me show you how you can sign up for a brand new Draftbit account. To sign up for Draftbit, simply write draftbit.com on the search bar of your web browser. This will bring you straight to the official Draftbit webpage. Once on the home page, click on the Get Started button in the top right corner of the screen. Now, enter your email in the pop-up on the screen. Then, click on the Get Started. Next, you'll be directed to a registration page. Enter your first and last name and then a strong password and then click on the Continue button. Then, you need to verify your account. Check your inbox for a confirmation email containing a unique link. It might take a minute or two. Once you have received an email, open it and click on the Verify Email button. Then, follow the on-screen prompts to personalize your account. Once you personalize your account, you will be directed to the plan page. Select the plan that suits your requirements. For now, I'm going with the free plan. Next, you can see a YouTube tutorial to make things easier for you to understand. Let's click the Continue button. Then, click again on the Continue button. And finally, you'll be directed to your account dashboard where you can start exploring Draftbit and its features. The Draftbit dashboard is user-friendly. At the left of the screen, you'll find a menu, which is the main navigation bar. Let's go through each tab and see what it does to get a general idea of the available features in Draftbit. First off, we have the Dashboard tab. It is the default tab which displays some helpful resources and tips to help you get started. It also shows you updates and the option to create a new project. The Workspaces tab is your control center. Here you can manage your projects. You can create a new project or view existing ones here as well. Next, the Starter Apps tab provides you with ready-made project templates designed to fast-track development. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can select a pre-designed app that fits your needs. Further down, the Example Screens tab provides individual UI layouts that you can use as building blocks for your app. The Expert Services tab offers you professional assistance for complex projects. The Support and Training tab acts as your personal learning hub. It includes support plan options. You can choose the plan that's right for you. The Help and Resources tab is a knowledge base filled with official documentation, community discussions, troubleshooting resources, tutorials, and guides. The Account Settings tab allows you to personalize your Draftbit experience. You can update your account details, adjust workspace permissions, manage subscriptions, and configure security settings. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Now, let's see how to create a new project in Draftbit. Now, you might be wondering what a project in Draftbit actually is. Well, in Draftbit, a project is where all of your app's resources are stored. All of the screens, components, and data sources for your app are stored in a single project. To create a new project in Draftbit, there are two main ways. One is building an app from scratch, and the other is by using a starter template. In this tutorial, let's create a project from scratch. For that, click on the Workspaces tab, then click on the Create Project button on the top right corner. You'll be taken to this page where you will enter your app name and also its description. You always have the option to change it later. After entering these details, click on the Next button. On the next page, you will be asked more questions about your app. Answer these questions and click the Next button. Then choose a starting point for your app. I will keep the blank option for now and then click on the Next button. Next, you have to select an app icon that matches your app's purpose. After selecting it, again, click this I'm Ready button and it will take a few moments to create the app. Once it is created, click on the Let's Go button to proceed further. The editor will be loaded with a blank canvas to allow you to start building your app from scratch. The editor provides a range of tools and features allowing you to visually build your desired app. You can see the editor is divided into 3 sections: the left panel, central area, and the right panel. The central area shows the canvas, where you can drag and drop different components and customize the app according to your exact requirements. You can add and arrange components like buttons, text, images, and input fields. This area shows the visual appearance of your app. The top toolbar has options to preview your app on different screen sizes like mobile, tablet, etc. Also, you can see the live preview, refresh button, development environment, and light mode buttons there. The left panel of the screen shows all the app screens you create. Each screen represents a different page or section of your app. Below it, you can see the components section. This lists reusable components that can be added to screens. Moreover, you can click the plus button to create new screens or components. On the right side, you have a panel with a wide range of options to style and customize your app look. There are 4 main sections: styles, configs, data, and interactions. These sections allow you to customize colors, fonts, and sizes. Draftbit automatically saves your work as you make changes, so you don't need to manually save your progress. If you're ready to launch your app, you can click the Set Project Live option on the top right corner to make it publicly accessible. However, you have to upgrade your plan to access this feature. Moreover, you can simply follow Draftbit's guide to deploy your app on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Finally, let me show you how you can invite team members to your project in Draftbit. First, look at the left side menu and click the Personal Workspace tab. Once you're there, you'll see your workspace dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. Now, find the Collaborators section. It's usually easy to spot. Click that and you'll see an invite button. Tap it and you can add people by typing their email addresses. But this feature isn't free. You'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to use this feature. Draftbit keeps collaboration tools for premium users only. So, if you're already paying for a premium plan and just didn't know how to invite your team members, follow these steps. Draftbit is a low-code platform used to visually build native mobile apps and responsive web apps. This means that you can design, customize, and publish your own app without any coding experience. With Draftbit, you can create apps for both iOS and Android devices simultaneously. It offers various features, some of which include a visual design interface, React Native-based, custom code integration, live preview, component library, theme customization, responsive design, data integration, code export, collaboration features, and breakpoint management. It is perfect for beginners who want to get started with app development but do not have the technical skills or resources to code an app from scratch. And that's it for this tutorial. Today, we covered everything that you need to know to get started with Draftbit. We covered how to sign up and explored the dashboard in detail. Then, we learned how to create a project from scratch and invite team members. I hope this tutorial made it easy for you to understand the basics of Draftbit. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. If you have any questions or want to share your experience using Draftbit, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.